Hey, thanks a lot for watching this show. I'm trying to get a couple math videos for you here every single week, so make sure you hit that subscribe button. Also, put down in the comments below what grade you're in. I would love to see that. So I always read every single comment. All right, let's begin. I have some very challenging division problems right here. I have 21 divided by 5, 201 divided by 5, and 2014 divided by 5. What I want you to do right now is go ahead and pause the video and then work on these three problems, and then when you're ready to check it with me, hit the play button. All right, so go ahead and pause the video. All right, welcome back. 21 divided by 5, that's going to be the easier one of the three problems I gave you. So can I put 5 into 2? You just can't, can you? So I need to work with 21. So how many times can I put 5 into 21? So let's move over here and take a look at our multiplication problems I wrote down. 5 times 1 is 5, 5 times 2 is 10, 3 is 15, 5 times 4 is 20, 5 times 5 is 25. 5 times 5, too much, too big. So we need to stick with 5 times 4. So let's go ahead and put 4 right here. I put 4 right above the 1. Since I'm dealing with this whole number right here, 21. So 5 times 4, now I'm using multiplication, is 20. And our next step is subtraction. All right, so I put a subtraction sign here, and I bring that 1 down. Now there are no other numbers right here, and so I'm going to be using that as my remainder. All right, so this is remainder 1. So 5 times 4 is 20, plus a remainder of 1 is 21. And that equals this right here. All right, ready to start the second one? All right, let's do it. All right, welcome back. All right, here we have 201 divided by 5. Now, just like the other previous problem we did, I need to be able to put 5 into this number. So can I put 5 into 2? You just can't. I need to use 20. Right here, 5 times 4 equals 20, so we're going to use 4. So now I'm going to multiply. 4 times 5 is 20. All right, and now the next step is going to be subtraction. All right. Now, with this subtraction, remember, if there's any number left over and I don't have any other numbers to bring down, then that would be my remainder. All right, but I still have a number I need to bring down after I get done subtracting. So 20 minus 20 is 0. All right, you don't even need to put that there. I bring the next number down, which is 1. Okay. Can I put 5 into 1? Now, this is not my remainder. All right, it would make sense right here. 4 times 5 is 20, and then plus the remainder would be 21. No, we're dealing with 201. All right. So how many times can I put 5 into 1? I look over here. It would have to be 0 because 5 times 1 is 5. So it's 0. So I need to put a 0 right here. All right. 0 times 5 is 0. Now I'm going to use subtraction. And remember, after my subtraction, if there's any number that's left over and I don't have any other number to bring down, this would be my remainder. So I have 1 minus 0 is 1, and that is my remainder. All right, remainder of 1. All right, let's go ahead and check that. I always use multiplication to check my division. So here is 40 times 5. 5 times 0 is 0. 5 times 4 is 20. And so I have 200 plus my remainder of 1. All right, so that would be 201. And does that match this? Yes, it does. Okay. All right, let's try our third problem. All right, welcome back. Just like the previous problem, it was 201. Now I have 2014. I just stuck another number on the end of there. So can I put 5 into 2? Can't. Can I put 5 into 20? Yes, you can. How many times? 4 times. So I put the 4 right here, just like I did before. 4 times 5 is 20. Now I use subtraction. 20 minus 20, of course you know that, 0. And I'm just going to put the 0 right there just so you can see that, and I'll erase that in a minute. Now I bring the next number, bring it down, and bring the next number down right here, okay? Can I put 5 into 1? The only way you're going to be able to do that is multiply it by 0, all right? So 5 times 0, all right? So I put 0 right here. 0 times 5 is 0. I use subtraction, okay? 1 minus 0, 1. Now I bring the next number down, right here. Now, can I put 5 into 14? Let's take a look here. 5 times 3 is 15, too high. We need to bring it down. 5 times 2. Buckle my shoe. So I put 2 right here. 2 times 5 is 10. Subtract. Now, remember, after my subtraction, if there's a number left over that I can't put 5 into, and I don't have any other number to bring down, that is going to be my remainder. So 4 minus 0 is 4. 1 minus 1 is 0. Do I have another number to bring down? No, you don't. Can I put 5 into 4? No. All right, and so that is our remainder, all right? So we have a remainder of 4. Once again, I'm just going to go ahead and check it. I always want to make sure that I'm doing this right for you. So 402 times 5, I use multiplication to check division. So 5 times 2 is 10, carry the 1. I bring the 1 down because 5 times 0 is 0, so I just bring that 1 straight down. And then 5 times 4 is 20. All right. So I have 2010 plus my remainder of 4. So here's 4. So then I have 4, 1, 0, 2. I have 2014, which is the answer, the number right here. All right. So I hope that helped. It's a little tricky, and I'm sure that hopefully that you learned a couple tips and tricks here. Again, I hope you're having a great day out there. Leave a comment down below. Maybe you want me to kind of go over this a little bit more. I would sure be happy to do that. Also, check the link up above. I have an outdoor show that I'm working on. You know, if you like fishing and doing things outside. So I would sure love subscribers. If you can do me a favor, subscribe to that one up above. I'm trying to hit 1,000 subscribers, and right now I think I have 30. So I have a long ways to go. Also, I have a learning fun channel. That's where, if you send me, in the comments like, hey, can you help me out with this problem? I'll quickly do it, and I'll put it onto that channel too. So check that out. I got a lot of cool stuff on my show, and it's all because of you guys out there. So thank you very much, and have a very beautiful day. Adios.